We're here at Nilpeter's open house, and it's been awesome so far. I'm looking forward to seeing all the new products that Nilpeter has to offer. Also, it's a great chance to network with all the suppliers that associate with Nilpeter as well.
It's a chance to learn about the future, where the company's going. Also an opportunity to meet with what we review as the critical suppliers, but really about the technology. Learn a little bit more about what Nilpeter's offerings and what we should expect, like I said, moving forward.
I just came out to see all the new equipment in the showroom, see about their training system that they're going to start offering.
It's a very good day. Got to speak to a lot of existing and new customers, get exposed to some new products, along with some really neat equipment demonstrations. So a very good day.
Today's been great. We've learned a lot about the extended gamut color printing, and it's just been great to see all of Nilpeter's offerings.
And thank you so much to Nilpeter for having us. We're really grateful to be here.
The day has been fantastic. A lot of customers really complimented it and said how fantastic it was. Suppliers also, it worked out very, very well for us. Very happy with the results. It exceeded our expectations, to be honest with you. Almost 140 people attended, which is fantastic.